Hi there everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to this episode, and today we're going to be looking at some items that I purchased from the Tyneside Model Railway Exhibition. So I must add that I only had a couple of hours available the day that I attended the exhibition. So in between taking videos and checking out all of the different layouts, I did manage to go around and check out some of the stalls. However, that being said, I think I picked up some very useful and in some cases very quirky items. Now straight in at number one. Not a company that I have seen before, but I will be looking for them in the future. The company in question is Merit. Now these are Merit Railway Accessories Army Personnel. It's in a pack of 5, and after searching the internet it would appear that there were many different versions with Army personnel in different poses. This pack of 5 features both male and female personnel and will go great with my other wartime and military railway models. Now for the great price of just £2, yes that's right, £2, and when compared to the prices of new well-known manufacturers examples, I am very happy with these. And I believe I purchased this item from the N&D Model Railway Society second-hand stall. So thank you very much to that stall and introducing me to Merit Accessories. And next at number 2, now purchased from the Sunderland Station Model Store. Now I have to say, I've got to admit I have not actually visited their shop, so maybe at some point I'm going to have to make the effort and pop across there. But what I purchased was this Lomac. Now not particularly exciting to many people, I try to pick these little bits of rolling stock up as and when I can, especially if the price is low enough. When weathered up, they go great with my military railway items, and as I have done in previous episodes, placing both Oxford diecast and Airfix military vehicles on them really sets them off and makes them very in-fitting with my military train feel. And now in at number 3, purchased from I believe Barry Kirtley's stall, something that I've always fancied having for its quirkiness, and many of you will be familiar with this. It's the Bachmann motorised Gandhi dancer. These things are just tiny but look so much fun, and it's hard to believe that they're motorised, never mind the fact that the figures also move when it's in motion. As I've said to a friend before making this episode, I think it might be fun to repaint the figures into a St. Trinian's look to go along with my Longmoor collection, and if you know the connection between the two, then you'll totally get what I'm on about. The Great St. Trinian's train robbery was filmed at the Longmoor Military Railway, and 2 of the school children used a similar hand pump truck in the movie. Also purchased at Barry Kirtley's was another Lomac, much older in age as it's an Airfix example, and the crate on top has been fixed down, so a little bit of modification may be needed before it enters my fleet. As I said earlier, if I can pick up these Lomacs at a low enough price, I always will. And now for number 4, signals. Yes, signals. However, stay tuned because one of these is very quirky indeed. However, first, still sealed, new old stock, a Hornby Railways R172 distance signal, which is ideal for young Aidan's layout, but it also includes the base plate for the forgotten Hornby R663 point and signal motor, of which I have many of, so this is a welcome addition, and only £1 out of their bargain box. Well, this is something special. Well, at least it is for me. Many of you know I do like my action accessories, and when I saw this box I quickly looked inside to see if at least most of the contents were inside, and I was in for a surprise. This is the Hornby Railways R400 signal control set. This set does not just control the signal, but when the signal is a danger it also isolates the track and stops the train from proceeding until the signal is all clear. Now I paid £10 for this set, which I think is pretty reasonable, especially considering the actual packaging condition. However, when I got home and I checked the contents properly, I was in for a big surprise. Now I don't know if this should be like this, but this box actually contains 2 full sets, and not just the one like I was expecting. Each set included has a signal, a base plate which underneath houses the signal motor and the switch to isolate the track, as well as track sections with isolating sections and a classic Hornby lever switch. Now as I said earlier, I was surprised to find 2 full sets within the box. Even better, original instructions dating to 1976 were also included inside. Now it should be noted that inside the set, the track included is System 6 steel track, and although in very good condition, if I choose to fit this to a layout and use it properly, well, I'm going to have to do some modifications and replace the track with the more modern nickel silver. Now I think I seriously scored on that one with 2 full sets included inside the packaging. So look out for future episodes where I'm going to look into some more greater detail with the signal control set and the Gandhi dancer and so on. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what you think of the purchases I have made. I definitely like the signal set and I definitely like the Gandhi dancer. So look out for future episodes where I'm going to delve into more detail with those two items. In the meantime, like, comment and subscribe. Please share the video. It means a lot to me and it really helps the channel grow. And I will see you again in the next episode. Bye now.